In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for online classes and webinars and show you how to add more than 250 participants in Google Meet. So let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to Google Meet. It's as simple as opening your web browser and typing in meetgoogle.com. This will take you directly to Google Meet's landing page. If you haven't already, make sure to sign in using your Google account credentials, which gives you access to all the features you'll need. Now, it's crucial to understand that adding more than 250 participants in a Google Meet session isn't available with the basic free version of Google Meet. To unlock this capability, you'll need to be on a Google Workspace paid plan. These plans offer a host of advanced features and integrations that are perfect for conducting large-scale events or classes. Next, to access these larger meetings, choose the right Google Workspace plan. There are several plans available, each with its unique set of features tailored to different use cases. For larger meetings like webinars or large online classes, you'll want to look into plans that specifically support over 250 participants. These plans are designed with enhanced capabilities to ensure your sessions run smoothly and can accommodate everyone you need. Once you're looking through these plans, you'll see an option called Business Plus. This specific plan is very well suited for hosting larger gatherings. It not only permits a bigger participant capacity, but also includes additional features to enhance your virtual meetings, such as breakout rooms, attendance reports, and more. Clicking on Business Plus will give you a detailed overview of what this option offers, helping you determine if it meets your requirements. That's the gist of it. By upgrading to a suitable Google Workspace plan, particularly the Business Plus, you'll be equipped with all you need to host sizable online classes and webinars efficiently. Remember, the goal is to find the right plan that ensures a seamless experience for both you as the host and all your participants. This way you can focus on delivering quality content without worrying about technical limitations. And that wraps up today's video on using Google Meet for larger online classes and webinars. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to hosting productive and inclusive virtual gatherings. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. See you next time.